In this training video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the webhook feature on the work platform. What is a webhook? A webhook is the ability to launch a workflow when an event in a different application happens. So for example, if you want to launch a workflow every single time a new contact is added or updated in your HubSpot account, what you're looking for is a webhook. So I've got my workflow in front of me here called my webhook demo. And to enable webhooks, I'm going to click View More, and then I'm going to click Generate URL. And from here, I've been given a new webhook URL that I can use in my other application. So I'm going to save this for now, and I'm going to show you how to configure your workflow to use the webhook. So if I go in and edit, to capture the payload that the other application is sending to your workflow. So in our example, it might be the person's first name, last name, contact ID, what was changed, that type of information. What you can do is go to your launch configuration here and add a new field to capture called body. This will give you the entire payload of what was sent across by the webhook. And I'm going to connect it to a send to launch console work action that will allow us to see the payload that was sent across. Okay, now I'm going to test the webhook so we can see exactly what it is and how it works. So I've got Postman open. I'm going to paste the link that I copied from the webhook. And then I'm going to configure a simple test body here of raw JSON. And click send. Okay. You can see I've got a successful status. My workflow was launched. I have a launch ID. And when I go back to the work platform and click launch console, I can see that what was passed across was field 1, value 1, field 2, value 2. So that's how you launch a workflow using a webhook on the work platform.